Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates.
Hi students, the most burning problem of the world today is the corona virus. It is increasing enormously day by day. If it is not controlled soon, the very human existence will be in grave danger. Today, in this difficult situation, your English teacher is available to you to provide you education through e-learning. I have already got memorandum of evidence that a large number of people have seen my videos uploaded on the YouTube. I am thankful to them. Today I am going to teach you about noun. But before teaching, I would like to say a few lines on the importance of English. Dear students, English is a global language. It is spoken in all over the world. The one who speaks English can reach to the ladder of success in his or her life. English is considered as a password of our life. Students who can afford or cannot afford are drawn to these English medium schools like honeybees to the flowers. The one who speaks English fluently can make a special place in the heart of others. So, it is considered as a password of our life. Let us learn more about noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, feeling, idea, or a thing. For example, person like Ram, Sita. Place like Ara, Patna. Animal like cow, dog. Feeling like brotherhood, childhood. Idea, immortality, democracy. Freedom, thing, pen, book, etc. Kinds of noun. According to our traditional English grammar, there are 5 kinds of noun. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Proper noun. A proper noun is the name of a specific or particular person, place, animal or thing. Particular person. Mohan. Particular place. Mumbai, Delhi. Particular animal. Jimmy, Sheru. Particular thing. The Red Fort, the Bible, etc. Common noun. A common noun is the name given to every person, place, animal or thing of the same kind or class. For examples, the cow is an animal. In this sentence, the cow is an example of a common. Number third, collective noun. A collective noun is the name given to every group of persons, animals or things taken collectively that refer to as one whole. For example, a crowd of people gathered here yesterday. In this sentence, the word crowd is an example of a collective noun. Number 4, material noun. A material noun is the name of of a matter or substance of which things are made. For example, the chair is made of wood. Hence, the wood in this sentence is an example of a material noun. Gold is a precious metal. In this sentence, gold is also an example of a material noun. मटेरियल नाउन को समझने के लिए हमें निम्न बातों पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. हाउ वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई इट. भूमि से खोदकर प्राप्त की जाने वाली सारी चीजें मटेरियल नाउन्स होती हैं, जैसे सोना, तांबा, पीतल, मैंगनीज, बक्साइट, यूरेनियम, औरक, पेट्रोलियम ईटीसी. जितनी भी फ्लोटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट्स, बहने वाली चीजें होती हैं, ऑल लिक्विड्स आर इन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मटेरियल नाउन. मटेरियल नाउन जिसमें भार हो, जिसे मापा या तौला जा सके. फिफ्थ, abstract noun. And abstract noun is the name of a quality, a state, idea, etc. For examples, poverty, honesty, death, freedom, etc. Abstract noun which can neither be seen nor be touched, but only it can be felt. यह वह नाउन है जिसे न देखा जा सके न छुआ जा सके, सिर्फ इसे महसूस किया जा सके. ऐसे नाउन को abstract नाउन कहते हैं. All these 5 nouns like proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun can be classified into 3 categories. These are proper noun, countable noun and uncountable noun. जैसा कि प्रॉपर नाउन का डिफिनीशन आप पहले पढ़ चुके हैं. प्रॉपर नाउन a proper noun is the name of a specific or particular person, place, animal or thing. Second, countable noun. nouns that can be counted are called countable noun. Common noun and collective noun both can be counted, so they are kept in the category of countable noun. No. Common noun and collective noun both can be counted, so they are kept in the category of countable noun. Number 3, uncountable noun. The nouns that cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Material noun and abstract noun can't be counted, so they are called uncountable noun. Material noun and abstract noun both can't be counted, so they are kept in the category of an uncountable noun. मटेरियल नाउन और अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन को गिना नहीं जा सकता, इसलिए ये अनकाउंटेबल नाउन की श्रेणी में रखे जाते हैं। क्लियर है? कॉमन नाउन और कलेक्टिव नाउन इन दोनों को गिना जा सकता है, इसलिए ये काउंटेबल नाउन की श्रेणी में रखे जाते हैं। फिर भी काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन में मुख्य अंतर है कि काउंटेबल नाउन के प्लूरल फॉर्म्स होते हैं, जबकि अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स के कोई प्लूरल फॉर्म नहीं होते हैं। डिफरेंस अकाउंटेबल noun has its plural whereas uncountable nouns do not have any plural form. Thank you. Your satisfaction is my priority.